Searching for a place, looking for a name, anywhere to feel brand new. Little things add up, make it all enough. Ordinary and new, and you. Hot coffee, laying in the shade, good news, good looks, old friends, and you. Hot coffee, late talks, long walks, letters in the mail, and you. Standing in these laces, dancing in
Hello everyone, welcome to OneNet. On this video I will show you amazing luxury cruise ships Carnival Celebration. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. The sister ship to Carnival's trend-setting new Mardi Gras Carnival Celebration is scheduled to embark on its maiden voyage on November 6, 2022. Named after Carnival's trend-setting 1987 ship, Celebration, Carnival Celebration is a modern, cutting-edge cruise ship that is big on fun, features and amenities. With the first steel cut in January 2021, Carnival Celebration will become the largest ship in the Carnival Cruise Line fleet along with Mardi Gras. As the second of Carnival's liquefied natural gas, LNG, powered Excellence-class vessels, many features will likely align with those found aboard Mardi Gras. As such, most changes onboard Carnival Celebration are likely to be evolutionary rather than revolutionary. The second ship in any class typically sees minor improvements made throughout to decor, passenger flow and the like. However, there are still several areas on decks 5, 6, 7 and 8 that Carnival has earmarked as new space on deck plans as of this spring 2021 writing, meaning cruisers can look forward to more fun ship feature reveals in the months leading up to the ship's delivery. Number 1. Decks and cabins. Carnival Celebration boasts 2,687 cabins and suites onboard, with rooms designed to fulfill every taste, preference, and budget. Inside, outside and balcony staterooms are well represented onboard, but those who haven't cruised with Carnival for some time will be excited to find even more diversity hidden within these cabin categories. Cove balcony cabins are inset into the hull of the ship on its lower decks and provide a sheltered balcony experience, while Carnival Celebration, like Mardi Gras, introduces a wide variety of forward-facing balcony cabins for those who like to have a view of the sea ahead. Insides, outsides and balcony staterooms are also available in Family Harbor, Cloud9 Spa and Havana Cabana flavors, each with its own distinctive decor, amenities and perks. Families will love the Family Harbor staterooms for their ample size, while those looking to spend more time at the spa will relish the Cloud9 Spa cabin's enhanced spa amenities and dedicated Cloud9 Spa access. Lavish suites, which historically have not been Carnival's strong suit, are better represented aboard Carnival Celebration. These include 12 aft-facing Excel suites, 12 corner Excel suites, 6 Havana Cabana suites, 6 Cloud9 Spa suites, and 2 Excel Presidential suites. A total of 90 cabins across all grades are accessible to those with mobility issues. Number 2. Hipboard entertainment options, fun and sport. Top deck attractions. Like Mardi Gras, the big story aboard Carnival Celebration is Bolt, the trend-setting roller coaster at sea. Aboard Carnival Celebration, expect to find outdoor diversions like Carnival's Waterworks, mini golf pudding, the ultimate playground outdoor sports and activity area, and Serenity, Carnival's adults-only, top-deck enclave featuring loungers, hot tubs and an outdoor bar area. Entertainment. Entertainment has long been Carnival's strong suit, and that continues aboard Carnival Celebration. Old favorites like Piano Bar 88, a hopping staple of any Carnival ship, and the Punchliner Comedy Club return, along with several new, yet-to-be-revealed features. The ship's three-story atrium, situated along the starboard side of the ship, serves as an entertainment venue in its own right, with changeable performances and themed drinks on tap each evening. Dubbed the center stage, this space becomes a cozy place to congregate by day and night, offering impressive views of the sea outside and unique performances. For more traditional entertainment, Carnival Celebration offers a two-deck high theater all the way forward on decks 6 and 7. Number 3. Carnival Celebration Suites. Carnival Celebration has CCL Fleet's first cabin bathrooms with glass door showers and in-shower shaving bar, and also Fleet's first and largest, Carnival Excel, suites. Over 70% of all staterooms are outside, 300 pairs are connecting, family cabins. Cabin balconies are accessed via sliding floor-ceiling glass doors. The lounge area is furnished with new type sofa beds. Couch bed with footstools opening up for storage, under bed storage, for suitcases, flexible reading lamps, bedside, mini refrigerator with transparent glass door, plenty of power outlets, USB ports, on the vanity table and bedside, more shelving, for electronic devices, large wardrobe, with folding shelves, sliding shoe rack, 2 pull-out bins. Number 4. Shipboard dining options, food and drinks. Carnival Celebration's main dining rooms feature select items from the onboard steakhouse, available for an additional fee. Traditionally, shipboard dining includes a complimentary Lido buffet restaurant. A special venue is the New England-inspired casual eatery Seafood Shack. It offers both indoor and outdoor seating, and the menu includes steamed lobster, lobster rolls, fried shrimp, fried clams, crab cakes, and other seafood surprises. Seafood Shack serves lunch and dinner and is priced à la carte starting at $4. The ship has a Japanese specialty restaurant, named Bonsai Teppanyaki, located within the Bonsai Sushi restaurant, on Promenade Havana Deck. The restaurant offers authentic Far East dishes and a live cooking show performance by the chefs, at custom-built cooking stations positioned at the center of an 8-seat dining table. Due to the room's limited seating, reservations are required. Each meal at Bonsai Teppanyaki starts with a sampling of 5 appetizers. Miso soup, pork belly yakitori, spicy tuna on rocks. Combo dinners are also offered. Each meal ends with the specialty desserts, chocolate bento box, and green tea ice cream. The restaurant is open for lunch, sea days only, and for dinner, every night of the voyage. Cover charge, price is per person and covers the entire meal. Available on all fun ships is Chef's Table, VIP dining experience, 12-guest capacity. That includes multi-course dinner with ship's master chef, private cocktail reception and galley kitchen tour. This dining option usually takes place in a non-traditional venue, a dedicated room in the galley, and can be booked on board for $75 per person. Celebrity chef Emeril Lagasse has a specialty restaurant, located in the French Quarter of Deck 6, portside. Lagasse is the chef and owner of 11 different restaurants, including 4 in New Orleans. He is a regular guest on Good Morning America TV show, and has hosted 2,000+ shows on Food Network, US pay TV channel. Lagasse Restaurant offers New Orleans cuisine, including spicy Creole specialties. Menu items include muffaletta sandwiches, oyster and cochon de lait po' boys, gumbo, jambalaya, side dishes. Creole potato salad with diced scallions, red beans, jasmine rice, desserts. Bananas Foster, lemon icebox pie. For breakfast are also offered shrimp and grits, and shrimp Creole omelette. A la carte menu appetizers cost $2 each, entrees are priced at $12. New, currently available on XL class Carnival ships only, drinking and dining venues are within the themed zones, Lido, Deck 16, and Summer Landing, Lanai, Promenade Deck 8 aft. These include Red Frog Tiki Bar, The Watering Hole, Street Eats, Big Chicken by Shack. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to the OneNet channel. See you in the next video.